Polarlander is the high-tech enterprises which specializes in design, development and produce electronic products.
OBD2+GPS Dual System Car Flat Screen Display M7. HUD for short is to display the driving data on the front windscreen of the car, avoiding the driver to watch the instrument during the driving process to affect the safety. HUD can read the driving information instantly under the condition of large view without shifting, allowing the driver to always keep the best driving condition. 1. Colorful LED screen with high brightness display non-destructive installation plug and play suitable for all models. 2. Integrated design with HUD display and shading, clearer display, no blinding when driving. 3. Display, driving speed, RPM, water temperature, voltage, number of satellites, automatic switch on and off, miles switchable, detectable. 4. Overspeed, low voltage, high water temperature, alarm sound. 5. Start and sleep with the car, also can be manually switched on and off.